So what comes into your mind when I say TVS's track prodigy? If your answer is the Apache RR310, then that is exactly why we are here today. Earlier this year, we rode the motorcycle at the Madras Motor Racing track in Chennai and came out mighty impressed with all the changes that TVS has given the motorcycle in its BS6 update. But life is not all about paint, throttles and scraping knee pads, right? So here we are in the city to test out if it can fit all your purposes to be an ideal commuter. Now, starting with the design, there are not a lot of changes. The Apache RR310 now comes with a new dual-tone matte grey paint scheme that looks rather impressive. Another useful change comes at the front, as the windscreen can now be removed for cleaning. While looks are subjective, TVS's decision to retain the ethos of the design was wise because, well, the design works splendidly. The quality of materials on the motorcycle, along with the way they have been put together, gives the Apache RR310 a much premium appeal. However, we did feel the buttons were a bit tacky to use. Now, a committed riding posture that one might expect from a sports bike might not fit everyone's bill, but the Apache RR310 steers clear of it. The ergonomics are extremely commendable with slightly raised on clip-on handlebars and rear set foot pegs. The seat provides plenty of room for the rider to move back and tuck down during spirited riding. However, we did feel that the setup could have done with a bit more cushioning. The underpinnings, the suspension and the braking apparatus have been untouched in the BS6 version of the motorcycle, which means the motorcycle still features a pair of chunky USD forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, both of which are set up on a slightly stiffer side. Continuing to talk about the handling of the motorcycle, TVS has blessed the Apache RR310 with a pair of new shoes. The new Michelin Road 5 tires are grippier and work like a charm in the city as well as on the highways. Also, one of the major improvements in the new version is the minimal vibrations, which among a very few things was what bothered me in the BS4 version. Now, alongside the ride-by-wire throttle, the Apache RR310 now gets 4 riding modes, that is Sport, Track, Urban and Rain. Now, the Sport and Track delivers the complete output, but the Urban and Rain puts the engine on a leash, modulating things like the ABS intervention, throttle input and as well as the power. In terms of performance, the RR310 ships with the same 312cc single-cylinder engine that is now compliant to the new emission norms. On the brighter side, we are thankful that the shift did not cause the motorcycle any drop in power figures, which is still rated at 33.5 bhp and 27.3 Nm of torque. With fewer vibrations in the new version, the RR310 was an easy motorcycle to ride in the city. Needless to say, the 4 riding modes have given the motorcycle a dual character of being an impressive track bike. While the engine comes with notable improvements, the RR310 gets the same 6-speed transmission as before that is not the smoothest to operate. The bike fell into false gear quite often, which became hard to overlook in city traffic. Now, coming on to the tech trickeries in the motorcycle, the Apache RR310 now gets an instrument cluster that can be paired with your smartphone for navigation, calls and other functionalities. However, there were a few downsides to the new unit, as the system lagged a little bit and the GPS gave the direction a bit late, mostly after you missed that crucial turn. The new instrument cluster also lets you customize the brightness, which came in handy during my time on the motorcycle. Now, the TVS Apache RR310 was not a bad bike to begin with in the first place, and in its new update, TVS has mindfully paid attention to all the tiny details and has overcome all the shortcomings that its predecessor had. In addition to it, features like the glide-through technology, the connectivity features, the 4 riding modes and the ride-by-wire throttle makes it an even better motorcycle in the city. Hence, if you are looking for a motorcycle that you can take to work on the weekdays and then take to the track on the weekends, the Apache RR310 gives you the best of both worlds.